Day 3.
Dia mah gak ikut-ikut. Dia pertama ikut-ikut. Even exercising with Ngkong. Okay, go. Start your present.
Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to present about my mass bike.
Okay.
So it's made up of metal.
Which
And it's dangerous if it falls down.
which part is made of metal? No, that's not made of metal, Ben. Coba Eben nih. It's made from carbon. Carbon fiber. Yeah, of course she will need to clean it. What's the brand of the bike?
When can I see?
No, from here.
It's like S.
S
I
apa?
don't know. I cannot see.
S-Works.
S works.
Okay, what is this?
It's a handle for holding into it.
Yeah, that's correct. How about this one?
That one is for the speed that you go.
Yeah, oh, good job, Evan. You're very well versed in biking stuff. How about this one? This one.
This one?
This thing.
It's the pedal
Oh, what do you use it for?
for pedaling around.
Oh, pedaling around, yeah. Propel the bike, yeah. How about this one? Why is there spiky stuff?
For it to turn.
Yeah, correct. That's the gears. The
It's
sprocket.
dangerous to touch it.
Not dangerous. Well, if it's moving, yeah. But you're not supposed to touch it. It will dirty your hands. Except when you're cleaning it.
Thank you for listening to my presentation. We hope you to see us again.
I'm back again at Orchard, guys. Kita hari ini mulai our medical tourism. Ya, jadi ada yang mau check up, tapi kita mau bawa Eben beli sepatu ya, sepatu sendal. Udah bosen nih jalan-jalannya di sini terus kalau ke Singapura. Again, aren't you bored of this? But since today is Monday, look at this. There's nobody queuing up. It's just us.
3, 2, 1, go. Collect all the blue diamonds to score points. Come back to the green tiles in 30 seconds. Avoid the red lava, or
Just
you will
gonna
lose a
stand
life.
here.
You have 5 lives.
So easy.
1, go. Level complete. Next level starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Level 11. Oh. Oh. 13 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, lucky.
Level complete. Next level starts in 3, 2, 1, go. One left.
Oh, lucky.
One life left.
Ah, fail.
I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down, look. I'll shut it down like a trunk getting closed. And they ain't on this level, bro, you really not close. Even in the summer, told them that it's so froze. Not talking about bass when I say I get low. I've been trying to get more, now I'm stacking my accounts. It's all going stupid, yeah, the numbers in the mouse. Heard them going quiet, so I turn it. I'll shut it down, yeah. I'll shut it down.
Oh, Evan is by himself now.
Level complete. Next level starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
So easy.
Level complete. Next level starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
But there is one behind you. Oh no. Oh no, Van. Oh no.
You lose.
Oh guys, we met Ayla and family. Halo. Ketemu kemana-mana ketemu orang Indo. Hah? What's that? Waduh. Mau nggak? Itu apa sih? Apa sih? What's this? Mickey Mizu.
Oh yeah.
So what went wrong?
Huh?
What went wrong in the color grid game? Why didn't you get to level 20?
We couldn't because my mom in the 17 level we were already reaching that high number that was good, but my mom couldn't reach level 20 because my mom was just stepping on the lava.
So it's your mom's fault?
Yeah. I stepped on the lava like just only 2 times and then my mom stepped on the lava 3 times.
But you guys were a team.
I know we were too, but my mom couldn't handle the game.
So what's the punishment?
Mama has to no, Mama has to chop.
Waiting for level 14.
Level complete. Next level starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
One more. Uh-oh. Go. Don't worry. See, you miss, Ban. Yang ini dulu, ya. See, finish this quadrant first. This one more. Go. Oh no, you no.
Kakinya cepuk. Nah. Ya. Lagi. Ya, ini kan kamu nyampe.
Here we are guys, enjoying a relaxing day by the pool. Kita lagi lazing around.
Papa, can we use your camera to video us?
Kita gonna
And
race
the
again.
water?
Okay.
What, Papa? We need the camera so it...
Ya, itu benar. Ini recording lagi. Berenang. Enggak, Eben record mama. Ayo recording. Ayo Eben berenang. Oh, jadi gimana, berapa jauh? Oh, segini saya. Iya, segini. Ayo lagi Eben swim. Ayo. Ayo. One more. Yay.
Good evening, folks. Here we are after dinner. We are walking alongside Grange Road. Is this still Grange Road? So yeah, we're just getting the food down, you know, and burn off some calories before bed. Pretty spooky, as you can see. It's getting empty and getting dark, but it's Singapore. Much safer than Indonesia during the dark. Still pretty crowded. Ini baru jam 9:30. Really late juga ya. Tanglin Road. Ternyata ini bukan Grange, guys. Ini terusannya Tanglin nih. Yeah. So I guess we're going perpendicular from Grange Road. Ini loopnya di mana ya? Not too sure. Fuck, sepi banget, man. Thankfully ada satu motorcycle over there. Look at that. Other than that, it's like nobody. Creepy. Well, let's make it even more spooky. Why not, right? Oke. Ini kalau di kayak ginian, takutnya kita sih bukan takut yang serem-serem ya. Takutnya ular, men. Well, hopefully there isn't one that is going to harm us. Laba-laba juga takut nih. We're about 1K done. The bad news is battery packnya I forgot to charge it. So ya kalau ini habis kita paling lanjut pakai handphone ya. Ini kita lagi lewatin like I don't know, a section of it dimana kayak ada abandoned house gitu ya, but it's still gated, lampunya masih nyala. Doesn't look too abandoned dari sini. It was earlier, so ini kita udah 1 kilo ke sini. Nanti habis itu di depan tuh kita ke kiri deh, around 1 kilo lagi, terus ke kiri lagi 1 kilo lagi, and then ke kiri lagi 1 kilo lagi. So we got like about 4K, hopefully 5K, and then we're done. Tuh, serem ya. Looks pretty dark. Oke, pas nih. Depan ada intersection, langsung kita belok kiri karena kita udah pas 1K. Well, so much for the spooky section, guys. Here we are continuing down the Tanglin Road. Nanti sampai depan ada Alexandra Road. Terus kita belok kiri ya. Nanti di situ ada River Valley Road, terus ketemu lagi Grange Road. Let's go. Okay, guys, I think this is where we are supposed to make a left turn. Hopefully we are right. Otherwise At least is the general direction. I think we're right. This looks like a major intersection, right? It has the Alexandra Road feel to it. I'm facing a crisis here, guys. All this walking has stimulate bowel movement. So you know what happened when that happens, right? I have to go number 2. But we're only halfway there. Damn it. Okay, let's turn this into a light jog, because honestly I'm getting bored of walking. Okay, it's wet. Just be careful here. Don't want to slip and fall. Make a fool out of myself. Alright. We're about halfway through Alexandra Road. So, nanti kita bakal sampai Great Wall lagi ya. The place where we have our dinner. Which is not too far away from here. Alrighty guys, kita udah sampai River Valley Road. So ini kalau kita terusin dari sini, nanti kita nyampe Great Wall Mall lagi ya. Which is tadi kita dinner di situ. Nah nanti habis dari situ tinggal ikutin jalan dikit, terus belok kiri di either Inkwell Bank Drive or something namanya. Atau satu lagi ada jalan apa, ada 2 tuh yang paralel side by side. Nah, terus kita sampai lagi deh Grange Road, tinggal ikutin jalan and we're back to where we started from. Let's go. Yeah, we're almost there. Jadi kita bentar lagi have an option to turn left at Hootcam Road I think, atau yang Inkwell Bank Road, terus habis itu langsung nyambung ke Grange Road again. Terus thankfully we have managed to suppress the bowel movement that is causing the urge to do number 2. What is this? Valley Point Shopping Center. Sekarang banyak ya mall-mall kecil, kayak dulu kita tuh taunya cuman kayak Bukit Timah Plaza, you know, those kinds. Well, mungkin dari dulu udah banyak sih di mana-mana, tapi kita nggak pernah main ke daerah-daerah situ. Udah berapa sih? Oh, 3.5k, lumayan. Bisa kali ini dapat 5. Here we are guys at this road that always wants to know, the Keipo Road. Run out of names, huh? Where is this Hootcam Road? Oh, I think this is it. Yep, Hootcam Road. So let's just go straight a little bit and take a left on the Inkwell Bank Road. As expected, we ran out of camera battery and we didn't bring our action pot, so here we are, Inkwell Bank Road, and we just make our way here and merge with Grange Road again. Ayo, why did I pick this side of the road ya? Oh please, jangan sampai ada some critters. Here we go. No snakes please. Well, another creepy walkway. We are at this small road called the Irwell Bank Road. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, it's okay. I thought it was closed for a second because I see the cones. But nope. Here we are, guys. Re-emerging back to Grange Road. Not as scary as we thought ya. Just a little scary aja. Karena ada some trees and bushes that is covering our view. Other than that, Singapore after all. So we got about 4.3k done. I don't think we're gonna hit 5k, but who cares? That's not the point. We just want to explore the neighborhood while getting the foot down. Feeling much better now. Almost there. Wow, we made it, guys. Grange Road. Out from the wilderness. There you go. Oh, ini nyambung guys sama Hoot Kiam Road that we passed earlier, as you can see. Nah, ini lurus sudah Grange Road ya. Back to our apartment. Hey, we are right in front of Ministry of Education headquarters. Berarti udah deket ya. So we are probably about half a K away from our apartment. Maybe. Not too sure. How come I have a feeling that it's still pretty far? Maybe it's just my feeling, hopefully. Reaching 5k in Strava. Hey, 5k! But our watch still showing 4.7. Yay! So we are going to make 5k, guys. Woohoo! We got 5k done.
1 kilometer.
Hey, we walked so far that we've reached Beverly Hills, guys. Okay, this is not Beverly Hills. It's just one hill. Okay, something is wrong with the camera, yeah? Showing a steady red light, not blinking, not turning off also. I hope the camera is okay. I hate to lose all the footage from today. Should I go down this road or that road? Okay, let me check the map first. Okay guys, the good news is we are on the right track. But the bad news is we're still about half a K away from our destination. Oh, maybe not. I spot Hotel Jen. There you go. We're back at Tanglin, guys. We made it. It is 10:30 now. Ooh. Back to where the houses are dark and seemingly empty. .4 on the watch, probably about 5.7 on Strava. Okay, somebody need to change their lights. Strobe effect. I should be having a headache. Yay, here we go, guys. That's the Sky Bridge. Not Sky Bridge. What do you call it? Overhead bridge that is connecting the MRT station to Grange Road. Yeah, we did it, guys. That's the Sky Bridge that is connecting the MRT station and the Grange Road. Alright. Not sky bridge, overhead bridge. What am I talking about? Stop giving it a fancy name. Okay guys, thanks for sticking around this evening walk. See you guys in the next one.